So like as you said, with the holidays coming, I know that like most of us, all of us, we want to get a lot of bang for our buck.
Right.
And we're actually done with most of our Christmas shopping. That's rule number or trick number one. You want to do a lot of your shopping early. I know a lot of people seem to think that Black Friday is the time with all the deals. And in fact, unless it's like a PlayStation or maybe a bike or something like that, the toys aren't going to be that much more discounted.
And let me say something before we go further into it, before she gets further into it. One of the things since being married to her, I have never, ever been with anyone, and no offense to anybody that I've known in the past, I'm talking family and friends, to get their shopping done as early as we do. I gotta commend you on that. I mean, we're pretty much done, and we were done like mid-October.
Yeah.
And it's just crazy. I just don't know how or what gets your brain to do that, or how did you do that? Is that what your mom did, or what brought that about?
Well, to be honest, this is how it first started. I've always worked in retail prior to having Keone, and the last thing that I wanted to do was be in the stores anytime in December. So it was always my goal to get done with my shopping before Black Friday because I worked there. I'm like, I'm not about to be here all day done with these crazy people and then having to still go shop.
Okay.
So that's where it started.
Okay.
And then as I did it, I realized, especially working in retail and seeing the prices, I'm like, these prices aren't even really changing. With the stuff that I was getting in terms of like those toys. I mean, the Amazon prices are pretty much the Amazon prices. Same with Walmart. Now, the difference is, they will go down a little bit. So what I do is, as I'm hearing the kids talk about things all year, I'm adding it to cart, adding it to cart, adding it to cart. And
I laugh about that because she has a cart full
there's like
of
200
everything.
things in my cart. And that's just Amazon. There's like 50 things in Walmart, 20 things in Target.
It's
there's
crazy.
Just all, even, and then there's the closed ones. We're not even going to get into that.
It's almost like layaway before layaway.
Right. So then you'll see sometimes, those prices will go down. Amazon actually notifies you when the price changes. So once you add it to cart, you get notified on the top, important message, this price has decreased by $5 or $10, or sometimes it will say it increased.
Right.
And then you'll just, I pay attention to things. So as I start seeing things or hearing about a toy, you want to get it before it becomes too big, because what Amazon does in particular, if a toy becomes very popular, they will jack the price up so high and ridiculous. So if you don't get it right away, like, you're going to be paying a ridiculous price for that toy that your child really wants. It's not going to be cheaper.
Right.
That's one thing that I will tell you. It doesn't get cheaper closer to Christmas. After Black Friday, it will just keep on going up and up and up and up.